Now let's solve few questions on uniform distribution.
Let x be a uniform random variable where r extends from 5 to 10. Compute the probability for x between 7 to 9. Okay, let's do this. In this is x1, this is x2, and this value is a, and this value is b. Now let's solve this with integration method. Probability of x is integral f of x dx, where x extends from x1 to x2. Therefore I can write this as integral 7 to 9. F of x is 1 by b minus a into dx, but we already know b minus a, therefore let's calculate this. 1 by b minus a is 1 by 10 minus 5, that's 1 by 5. So if I substitute this, integral 7 to 9, 1 by 5 dx, because it's a constant we can take it out, so 1 by 5 integral 7 to 9 dx. Now we already know integral dx is x, therefore if I substitute this, this will be 1 by 5 of x, where x extends from 7 to 9. This is 1 by 5 upper limit minus lower limit, that is 2 by 5. That's the answer. Now we could have done this with the direct formula. We have learned that the direct method is probability of x is x2 minus x1 by b minus a. So if I substitute the values, this is 9 minus 7 by 10 minus 5, that is 2 by 5. Now whichever method is convenient for you, you can pick up that. Here is another question. Suppose the random variable x has a uniform distribution on the interval minus 2 to 4. Compute the following probability where x is greater than 2. Okay. Before I do this, let me draw a diagram for clear understanding. In the question, they have given the interval as minus 2 to 4. So minus 2 to 4. Let's assume this is the value. This particular value we can compute. The function is 1 by b minus a. Therefore 1 by 4 minus minus 2, that is 1 by 6. Therefore this is 1 by 6. Now they are asking us to calculate probability greater than 2. So 2 will be somewhere over here. So to get the probability, we basically need to calculate the area under this. So let's solve this. P of x greater than 2 is basically probability between 2 less than or equal to 4. These are the values. Now let me also write the formula. It is x2 minus x1 by b minus a. Now here we know this is x1 and this is x2, and this is a and this is b. Now if I substitute, this is 4 minus 2 by 4 minus minus 2. So this is 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3.